So yes, good evening, guys. So today I'll just be giving you guys a view, because normally the first thing you are supposed to do is to buy a domain. After you buy a domain, you connect your domain with your hosting account, and then after connecting your domain with your hosting account, the third thing you're supposed to do, if you're using a CMS platform like WordPress, is to install WordPress on your site, because WordPress is like a server that your site will be on. So quick one, I'm going to be showing you the view of the WordPress admin dashboard, because the WordPress is what is a platform where you can use to design a site. How you want your site to be beautiful, everything will be done on WordPress from your WordPress dashboard. So I'm going to show you how the WordPress dashboard looks like. So let me open my browser now. So you're going to see something. So so now this is it. Now for every WordPress admin dashboard, now for every WordPress site, for you to be able to log in the admin dashboard, there is a certain URL you have to note. Now if I want to log in my WordPress dashboard, now this is what I'm going to, let's say for example, now the name of my site is www.specdigitals.com. Let's assume now this is the name of my website or my domain name. Now if I want to log in my WordPress dashboard, I'm going to add something. Now I'm just going to add /wp admin. Now if you want to log in your WordPress admin dashboard, first of all you have to put the domain name www.so.com/WP. WP stands for WordPress admin. It means that you're redirecting to the WordPress admin login, which you have to input your admin username and password. Then you get access to the admin dashboard. So let me just quickly log in this. So I'm going to click on I hope this network is not bad. Please, I don't want this video to be long enough. Okay, it's connecting now. Site can't be reached. What's happening? I hope this is not network though. This is a network issue. Okay, let me log in on another site. I think this one is not the network. Let me check on another site. Let me log in this other site. I don't know if I've renewed that hosting. So let me log in this one that is active. fibroid.bizadon.com/WP. Okay, so you can see now, if you have read my book, I explained what they call subdomain and what they call domain. Now the domain for this website is bizadon.com, but if you check the URL I'm loading or I'm accessing now, it is fibroid.bizadon.com. That fibroid is actually a subdomain. So I'm creating another website inside the main website. So any website, if you are accessing any site and then you're seeing let's say for example now lagbaja.michael.com, the main website of that is michael.com. That lagbaja dot is actually a subdomain. It's another website built under the main website, which is lagbaja.com. So this is just a subdomain. So you can have as many subdomains. You can have 50 subdomains inside one website, hosted differently. They have their own different admin dashboard. Just like we have Google, for example. Now let me use a big company they call, like everybody know Google. Now Now, Google has so many products. Like Google has so many products, and then you don't expect Google to be creating different websites or different brand name. So what Google did was that they had the main domain, which is google.com. Then they have other websites, other subdomains. You can see business or arts.google.com, gmail.google.com. All their products are subdomains of the main domain, which is google.com. So let me log in the admin dashboard. So Adobe, I actually made a video on how to install WordPress, and then I made a video on how to buy a domain and then connect your domain to your host. That is where you're going to create an admin username for your site. So since I was not able to make that video, so let me log in the admin dashboard so you can see how it looks like. So this is a WordPress admin dashboard. So this is the admin dashboard now. So today I won't be talking much. I'll just be walking you guys through everything about the dashboard, showing you some things on the dashboard. So this is the admin dashboard. You can see we have the menu icon, we have post if you want to post, we have medias, we have page, we have comments, we have plugins, we have users, we have tools, and then there are settings. So now let me quickly look at the plugins now. Now, what are plugins? Now, plugins are files or are software, or let me say plugins are softwares that is actually developed, that was designed by some people. Now, I can decide to have a plugin. Now, let's say for example now, I want to create what's it called now? Okay, I want to create a plugin that will allow WordPress users to be able to submit form or to be able to create form without coding. So I can just decide to create a plugin and upload it on WordPress. If they approve it, now my plugin will be on their store. So let me walk you through the plugin. So this is let me click on add new plugin so you can see what I'm talking about. So like I was saying, plugins are tools, are software you install on your WordPress site, which you can use to do whatever you want. Unlike the normal coding, if you are coding a website, you're going to be writing code, typing code, putting one or two codes together. But with WordPress site, you don't have to code anything. Everything has been done by some software developers. So you just have to go and search whatever you want to do. Now, for example, now if I want to create a site that actually would accept registration. For example, I want to create a site that members will be able to register. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for a plugin that I can install on my WordPress site that will accept registration. Then I'm going to set it and customize it to my own taste. So that's it. So it's unlike the normal coding, and this thing. But WordPress, you just have to look for plugins that actually suit your taste, plugins that can do what you want to do. So this is the plugin store. So you can just come in and search with that plugin. Now every plugin has a name. Every plugin has their own name. For example, now if I want to create an online store, now most online store, what they use is called WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a plugin that allows you create products, that allows you accept payments, that allows, just like if you want to create any online store, you must use WooCommerce. So I'm just going to type WooCommerce. So you're going to see WooCommerce. You can see them. So for any plugin you want to use, you can just come to this Play Store. Sorry, I say Play Store. You come to this plugin store, and then you install. You click on install and install it, and then you activate it. So this is actually plugins. Then if you want to post, you have a post now. You click on add new post. So this is where you put your title of post, This is where you put your body content. There are different things you can do. So today I'll just be specifically talking about installing I'm going to be showing you through or walking around your dashboard. So we have different settings. So like the settings now, general settings. Site title. Now there's no site title for this site, but if I want to add the site title, I can decide to add anything. So this is just basically how your WordPress admin dashboard looks like. So we're taking it bit by bit so you don't get things complicated. So today, like I said, I'm going to be creating a subdomain for everybody. So you're going to have your own username and password. You're going to log in your own admin dashboard so you can see some of these things. You can be walking through it, trying to see some things, and then yes. So let me quickly explain on that thing. There's what they call themes, WordPress themes. Now WordPress themes are actually what design your site. For any site you see that is beautiful, it is the theme that is beautiful. Now let me they have different themes. So let me quickly show something. Now to install themes, you just have to click on appearance. You're going to see themes. Click on themes. The same way I said, WordPress makes web development easier. You don't have to be coding, racking your head, cracking codes, or putting code together. With WordPress, you just have to research what you want to do, and that plugin that can give you what you want to do. The same way it goes for theme. Now, how beautiful a website is dependent on the theme. Yeah, they have themes with different features. Some are premium themes, some are free themes. The same way we have free plugins, the same way we have premium plugins. So we have different themes. So you can search for example, if I want to create an investment site, or I want to create I want to create a logistics site, maybe a site that does a business logistics site. Now those delivery sites. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google and type themes I can use for logistic company. Themes I can use for logistic company. Now I'm very sure that somebody might have compiled a list of themes you can use for logistic company. Now you have to open the post, and then you're going to see names of different themes. So you're going to go through the preview and then see the one you like. Then you come to your WordPress admin dashboard and search for that theme. You say if I want to design a sports blog or a sport blog, I'm going to go to Google and search for top 10 best themes for a sports blog. Now Google is going to show me, or somebody might have written an article about themes that can be suitable for sport blogs. So I'm just going to go through his list, and then check their previews, and then choose the one I like. Then I come to my WordPress admin dashboard, and then I'm going to search for that theme. They have different themes now. For example, now if I want to create a normal news, entertainment website, I most times highly recommend magazine theme. So let me just type magazine. Yeah. Add new themes. So let me type magazine. Sorry. Yes, there is magazine now. Hey, sorry. Let me go back. So you can see different magazine themes. Hey, sorry. You can see that different magazine themes. Different of them. So for you to choose any theme, you just have to click on the theme you want. You click on it. I don't mean I'm using a laptop. I would have been seeing the preview on this site. So you just click on install. Once you click on install, you start installing. Within 1 minute or 2 minutes, the theme will be installed. So the same way, if you take the theme and then you don't like the theme that is installed, you can decide to change it to whatever theme. You just have to check whatever theme you're working on, and then if it's a theme, maybe you're working on an investment site, you can go to Google and search for themes that can be used for investment sites. Some of them are free, So they are premium. The free ones just have limited features, but the premium ones that requires you buying them with money, they have lots of features. So that's just basically what we'll be talking about today. So like I said, now I'll just be walking you through the dashboard. We won't be doing something really serious. We're going to take our class, gradually, step by step. I don't want to rush it, so you can understand properly.